Pineapple is a delicious fruit, but it can be difficult to cut. However, there is a simple hack to open a pineapple that just requires a little strength. Look for a ripe pineapple that is more yellow than green and smells sweet. Hold the pineapple upright and firmly twist off the crown, or if you can't twist it off right away, use a paring knife to cut between the pineapple ridges if necessary, before ripping off the leafy top. Whack the bottom of the pineapple a few times to loosen the juice by banging it against a table or counter, being careful not to wobble the surface while you work. Then, turn the pineapple on its side and roll it back and forth firmly with your hands to separate the meat from the core. Some juice may come out at this stage, but that's okay. Once everything is loosened up inside the pineapple, pinch a leaf on the skin of the pineapple and grab a hold of it, tugging and wiggling it outward until a piece of the fruit is removed with the section of skin. If a knife was used earlier, separate the pieces by digging your finger into the bottom edge of a section's exterior and pulling upwards. Once you pull out a piece of ripe pineapple, remember to enjoy only the meat, discarding the skin and rind when you're done.